Hello friends, in this video we will see some problems related to the probability with respect to the coins. Let us assume three unbiased coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting at least one head? At least one head. Okay, at least one head, or at most two heads. At most two heads. Okay, at most two heads. So whenever we toss a three unbiased coins, so the sample space is going to be contained. So first one may contain tail or head. Okay, and second one may contain head, tail, head. Okay, on three coins. Whenever we toss a three coins, the first one may contain head, second may contain tail, third may contain head. So otherwise head or head, tail, or it is going to be head, tail. Okay, so tail, head, tail, 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 or head. Okay, so otherwise it is going to be three heads. Okay, so otherwise it's going to be three tails. Okay, so this is the sample space. Okay, this is the sample space. Whenever we are throwing a three unbiased cards, the total number of possible outcomes are these. So the n of s is equivalent to 8. 8. So 8 gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So n of s is 8. So now we have to find at least one head. At least one head. So which contains at least one head is here we contains one at least one head. This is 1 and this is 2. This is 3. At least one head. So this one contains one head 4 and one head 5 and this is 6 and this is also contains at least one head 7 and this one contains no head. So that means at least one head contains, that is n of e of this event is going to be 7. So the probability of whenever we throw say 3 unbiased, then the probability of getting at least one head is going to be n of e is 7 and n of s is 8. So that is going to be probability of, so we assume this one is e1. The probability of e1 is equal to n of e1 by the n of e1 by n of s. So that is going to be 7 by 8. So this is going to be the probability of getting at least one head. So we have to show at most two heads. So maximum the outcome must contain at most two heads. So that means the outcome may contain 0 heads or 1 heads or 2 heads, but it cannot contain 3 heads because at most it may contain 2 heads. So this at most it contains 2 heads. So this is also added 2 heads it contains, and this also 2 heads at most. This is also contains 2 heads. So that means 3 cases, and this one contains 1. So at most 2. So this one is also added to the our favorable case, and this one contains 1 head. So this one will contain right into the favorable, and this one contains 1 head, right, and this one contains 3 heads. So this is not, we cannot consider this one. Why? Because at most 2 heads, but this one contains 3 heads, so we do not consider this one. And this one contains 0 heads, so at most 2, that means it may contain 0 heads also. So this one, so except this one, remaining all are favorable cases. So for this event, the cardinality of occurring this second event, that is at most 2 event, is also 7. So the probability of E2, so the event 2, that means at most 2 heads is going to be contained, is given by n of E2 by n of s. So as you know, n of E2 is equal to 7 and n of s is 8. So the probability of whenever we are throwing 3 unbiased cards, the probability of occurring at most 2 heads is 7 by 8. 7 by 8. So I hope you got this one. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel.